In this tutorial, we will be having a look at Lullaby. Lullaby is a Trinity College grade initial piano piece, and the title is very important because Lullaby tells us that it needs to be something that is soft and slowly played in order to put, for example, a baby to sleep. On that note, let's have a look at the tempo. The tempo says andante. Andante means at a walking pace, so we are definitely going to play this fairly slow with a measure of 78 crotchet beats per minute. Ta, 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 and so on. Our time signature is 4 crotchet beats per bar. So we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And remember, 4 crotchet beats per bar is the same as common time, so we're just going to play in a common time. Our key signature is C major, so we're going to play no black keys, no accidentals when we play this piece, so we're only going to focus on the white keys. Let's start with the right hand. The right hand is going to start with thumb on middle C. So we are going to start with our third finger on E. And we're going to play 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now the second line, the notes are played a little bit faster. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, holding on to that to tie, and then 5, third line 3 again, then 5, 3, holding on for a semi-breve and a dotted crotchet, and we end again with 5, 3. So the notes are quite easy for the right hand. The left hand is notes that are constantly playing. So we have this almost like an ostinato that we need to play. And it's very important for this piece, we're also going to start with our thumb on middle C. So we are going to be in middle C position with both our thumbs on middle C. The left hand will go 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Now again, second line, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Careful now, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Third line, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4 again, and again 1, 4. 1, 4, 1. Ending on our thumb middle C. Putting it hands together requires us to look closely which notes place together, because we have this rhythm, dotted crotchet, quaver, minim, or dotted crotchet, quaver, dotted crotchet. So it's almost like we are playing a syncopated melody, If you haven't learned about syncopated melodies yet in theory, a syncopated melody is a melody that is as a longer note followed by a shorter note, and a longer note followed by a shorter note. So we've got this long, short, long, long, short, long rhythm going. So let's put these hands together. Look closely at which notes do play together and where do we play the notes in between. So we're going to have in between, together. So in order to get this right, we can say together, left, right, together, left. Repeat. Together, left, right, together, left. Together, left, right, together, left, right, together. So at some parts we are going to do the together, left, right, a little bit quicker than other parts. We just need to have a look at which parts have the minim and which parts don't have the minim. This is very important. Still a minim, holding the minim for the left hand note there. Now it comes quicker. Hold the right hand, it's a semi-breve. 2, 4, line 2, quicker. Two in the left hand. Holding, it's a tie. Right, third line together. Left, 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 right, together, hold. It's a semi-breve and it's tied over. So we're not going to play the next dotted crotchet, we're holding it, ending with right and together. So this one will definitely test your coordination, so make sure that you go through this very, very slowly. Know your right hand first, then know your left hand before you try putting it hands together, looking at which notes goes where. Let's have a look at the dynamics. So dynamics, we're going to start with piano. Now the second line calls mezzo forte, medium loud. Third line, now diminuendo, getting gradually softer. And the tenuto now, the baby is falling asleep, only the left hand. Holding down because we've got a fermata or a pause mark at the end, meaning that we need to hold the notes at least 2 beats longer, and we lift. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might benefit you.